And here we have another Star Wars review by Alex and Danny. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Who do we have?
We have BB-8.
The Target exclusive Star Wars The Force Awakens BB-8 remote control. Since we don't have Target here in Manila, where can you get these guys? Where can you get the remote control?
Toys R Us and Toy Kingdom.
If they have stocks. Alright, Danny, what do you think?
Then, what do you think?
Show everybody the box. Pretty cool. The back. Show everybody. Nice little box. Put it down. No. Right. Danny, put it down, please. Put it down. There, put it down.
This way.
All right.
Danny, come here.
Okay, why don't you wake him up? Okay. All right. Make his head move.
Yes.
All right, cool. All right, Danny, why'd you do it? Whoa. Oh, okay. All right. Can you make him walk or roll?
Okay.
Alex, how does it work? Whoa!
Here.
All right, make him go. Roll across the table.
Whoa.
Took his head off. Just put it over. Oh, oh no! Go find the magnet. Go find it. All right, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, make him go.
Go. Wait. Whoa. Okay, go.
Alex. Alex, could you smoothen the table?
Whoa.
Oh, he's getting dizzy. Whoa. His head doesn't. The head stays on top. Oh. Ah, he's going to sleep. Alright, cool. Ah, he's gone to sleep. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, make him go.
Go. Wait. Go.
Go, Danny. What do you do? Whoa! He's getting dizzy.
Wait.
Okay, go. Whoa!
Whoa, almost.
How about you, Danny? Why don't you make him move forward?
Then press this. Oh, press this. Yeah. Whoa. Wait. Whoa, it's not too much.
What do you guys think? Is it a fun toy?
Yeah. Oh.
I think it's a 10.
Yeah, 10.
Whoa!
Whoa. Yeah.
Alright, how do you make him go to sleep? Put him to sleep. Okay. Alright. Say goodbye. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Who's that?
BB-8.
Remote Control BB-8 by Hasbro. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.